Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I went ahead and used both of these palettes. I did have a request to do a video using both, so this is what I came up with today. So these are what the insides of the palettes look like. I'm sorry my lights are gonna reflect off of them a little bit, but they are so pretty. Next time I want to play with this shade up here because I didn't actually use that one, but I'm really drawn to it. I went to Walmart yesterday looking for the green palette in this brand, and all I could find were the eyelashes. I did see a post that they had made about how Luna Magic was actually going to start being sold in Target, so I don't know what's going on there. I'm gonna try and find it at Target. If not, I'm just gonna look online. I will find it somewhere, I promise. So some things I did find yesterday while I was at Walmart. I found this Profusion lip tint. It says a juicy lip tint. I got the shade Curious Coral. It's just like an orange, but like, can you see that? Like, look how cool. I'm so excited to try it. I also got this lippy from e.l.f. Cosmetics. It's just like a gloss with some glitter in it, but I did put it on top of the one that I used in the last video, and I really like how it looks. So the last thing I picked up at Walmart that I'm super excited about, because they didn't have these when I got the little like Katie Heron one. They have the yearbook palettes now from Profusion and Mean Girls. This is what the inside looks like. Like, how cute is that? I'm so excited to use it. This shade right here is called Lesbian Crush, and it is so pretty. I'm so excited to try it out. But yeah, this video I'll probably film tomorrow and try and get it up tomorrow. If not, it'll be up by Monday. So yeah, super excited. Other than that, I will go ahead and just jump in this video because I'm showing you like all the crap that I got yesterday. I'm also wearing this hoodie again because I'm just lazy and cold. I sit right in front of an air vent, so it gets a little chilly where I'm sitting. So other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and jump in this video. If you'd like to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. So that was it. I did want to go ahead and let you know a little bit about this lippy that I got from my Ipsy bag. It is the Mishko Beauty. I'm not good with words, but it is their Sheer Lip Shine Lip Balm in, I don't even know how to say that word, so I'm just not gonna say it. I'll see if I can put like a little screenshot of it up here so you can see what I'm talking about. Other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. I do feel like very earthy tones today. Like, I think it's really cool. Outside, it is so pretty. Like, these studio lights do not do anything for when you go outside with this eye combination on, however you want to say it. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe so that you can see future videos I'll be posting multiple times a week here on my channel. Yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.